Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. In this video, we will understand the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 9, 10 and 11. These will be helpful for your examinations. So let us start. First one is divisibility by 10. We will see the rules to divide any number by 10. So here it is mentioned that any number which has 0 in its ones place or units place, then it is divisible by 10. For example, let us take a number 250. Here the units place is 0, so when you will divide it by 10, the answer will be 25. Let us take a larger number. Suppose a number is 35460. Now when we will divide it by 10, 0 and 0 will be cancelled out and the answer will be 3546. So following this method, you can divide any number by 10 if the number has 0 in its units place. Now let us see the another one. It is divisibility by 5 to any number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place or units place. It is divisible by 5. For example, a number is 525. So here the units place is 5. So let us check is it divisible by 5 or not. So here 5 ones are 5, then 0 and 5 5s are 25. So yes, this number is divisible by 5. Now let us take another example having 0 in its ones place. Let us say 2950. When you will divide this number by 5, the answer will be 5 5s are 25, then 4 will be shifted to 5, it will be 45, and then 5 9s are 45, 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Hence we can say that any number having 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Let's check the another one. Another one is divisibility rule of 2. So here it is given any number having 0 2 4 6 8 in its ones place, it is divisible by 2. So it is very simple to remember these numbers. You can read table of 2 like 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So in 10 the units place is 0. So you can easily remember this by following this method. Now let us take some examples for this. Suppose a number is 122. Is it divisible by 2? Let us check. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Now let us take an example for 4. uh, Suppose a number is 994. Here the units place is 4. Now let us divide it by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and then it will be 19. 2 9s are 18. Then here it will be 14. Then 2 7s are 14. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Let us take an example for 6. For 6 we can take 8 7 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. So this number is also divisible by 2. And now let us take an example for 8. So for 8 we can take 38 8 2. Here it is 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. It is divisible by 2 also. And now let us take an example for 0. This one will be the last one for this divisibility rule. So 9 7 0, is it divisible by 2? Let us check. 2 4s are 8, carry 1 here, 2 8s are 16, carry 1 here, 2 5s are 10. Then we can say that any number having 0 2 4 6 or 8 in its ones place is divisible by 2. Now let us check the another or the next divisibility rule. Next one is for the 3. So here it is given any number in which the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then the number must be divisible by 3. For example, uh, Let us take 3, 6, 3. Okay, now when we will add these numbers, the sum will be 12. So is 12 multiple of 3? So we can say that yes, it is a multiple of 3. 3 fours are 12. We know that 3 fours are 12. Now let us divide this number by 3. Is it divisible? So 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 ones are 3. Yes, it is divisible. Now let us take another example, some larger number. Let us take a big number, 99027. Now let us add these numbers. What is the sum? 9 plus 0, 9, 9 to 11, 1, 7, 18. So is 18 multiple of 3? So yes, 18 is multiple of 3. We know that 3 6 is 18. Now let us divide this number by 3. What we get in the answer? 3 3 is a 9, 0. Then we will put one more 0 to take these two numbers together, and 3 9 is 27. So here this number is divisible by 3. Hence it is true that sum of digits, if a number having if a number with digits if a number if a numbers if a number having digits, and their sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now let us take another rule, divisibility rule. The other one is divisibility by 6. So divisibility by 6 is easy. You can check. Here it is given a number. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Here some numbers are given. Let us check these numbers for. Let us check these numbers first for 2 and 3. So let us check. Is this number divisible by 2? So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Then 2 8 is 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now let us check it for 3. Is it divisible by 3 or not? 3 9s are 27. Then 3 9s are 27. 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are 24. So we can say yes, this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now let us check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. So 6 4s are 24. 5 carry. 6 4s are 24. 5 carry. This will be 57. Then this will be 57. 6 9s are 54. 3 will be here, then it will be 31. 6 5 are 30. 6 2 are 12. And then 6 4 are 24. 4 9 2 4. So we can say yes, this number is divisible by 2 and 3 as well as by 6 also. You can try the same for these numbers and check whether you are getting your answers or not. Now let us move to the next example. Next divisibility rule. The next divisibility rule is of 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4. Here it is saying if a number having 3 or more digits is formed by last two digits. So here it is saying a number having 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 when it is divisible when its last two digits are divisible by 4. Like here the first one is 60, 3060, 3060. So here we have to check ones and tens place whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. And this number 60. So we all know that 4 into 15 is equals to 60. So we can say that we can go for this number to divide by 4. Like when you divide this number by 4, you will get 3060 divided by 4. You will get 4 7s are 28. Here it will be 26. 4 6 are 24. Here it will be 20, and 4 5s are 20. So here we are getting we can say that last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number must be divisible by 4. Now let us check it for the next number, whether the next number is divisible by 4 or not. And next we will take this number 726352. 726352. First we have to check for these two numbers. For 52, so whether 52 is divisible by 4, yes, we can say yes, 52 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 3s are 12, 13 4s are 52. Then if last two digits are divisible by 4, then this whole number must be divisible by 4. And now let us check. 4 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, then 4 8s are 32 and 4 8s are 32. So this number is divisible by 4 2. You can check the divisibility by 4 for these two numbers and comment in the comment box whether you are getting your answers or not. Now let us check the divisibility rule of 8. It is same like 4. In 4 we check the last two digits of a number, and in 8 we have to check last three digits of a number. See here 2856, 2856. So we have to check the last three digits. If the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the whole number must be divisible by 8. Now let us check it for these 856. 8 1 is 8, 0, 8 7 is 56. Now let us check whether 2856 is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is 24. Here it will be 45, 45, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 5 is 40. Then here it will be 56, 8 7 is 56. So this number is divisible by 8. Now you can check for these numbers whether these are divisible by 8 or not, or I will do it for this number also, like 726352. So let us check these three numbers first. So 8 4 is 32, 8 4 is 32. Yes, 352 is divisible by 8. Now let us check the whole number whether the whole number is divisible by 8 or not. So here 726352 by 8. So we know that 8 9 is 72. Then here we will put 10. Then we will take these two together. Then 8 8 is 64, 8 7 is 56, 8 7 is 56, 460. Then here it will be 75, 8 9 is 72. Here it will be 32, 8 4 is 32. So we will say 726352 is also divisible by 8. Now check for these two numbers. You can practice or try for these two numbers and uh, check whether you are getting your answers or not. Now let us move on to the next rule. The next rule is divisibility by 9. So here if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible by 9. The number itself is also divisible by 9. This rule is same as 3. In 3 we saw that the sum of digits, if the sum of digits is multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. Here if the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Now let us check the examples. Here it is 990. We will add 9 plus 9 plus 0. This is 18. 18 is multiple of 9. Yes. So this number is also will be divisible by 9. We can check it. 9 1 is 9. 1 this number is divisible by 9. And for this number, let us check for this number. First we will see what is the sum of the digits. 714, 4 plus 2 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 1 20, 27, 4, oh sorry, 4 to 6, 4 to 6 और ये 9, it is 15, 15 116, 16 420, or the sum is 27. Okay, sum is 27. 27 is multiple of 9. Now let us check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. 4 to 9 714 divided by 9. 4 9 9 4 ja 36, then 36 442, this will be 69. 9 7 ja 63, this will be 67. 9 7 ja 63, this will be 41. 9 4 ja 36, this will be 54. 9 6 ja 54. So yes, this number is divisible by 9 by 47746 times. Okay, now you can check for this number whether you are able to follow the process and divide the number by 9 or not, or you can take other examples from internet or from your mathematics books or from anywhere. Now let us check for the 11 divisibility rule of 11, and this is the last one. Here it is given. First we have to find the difference between the sum of digits at the odd places and sum of digits at the even places of a number. Then we have to check the difference between the sum of the digits of the odd places and the even places, and if the difference is 0 or the number is divisible by 11, then the number must be divisible by 11. For example, let us check this one. 639 210. Okay, uh, let us add the numbers at the odd places first. 6 9 1, 6 9 15 1, 16. Now let us add the numbers at even places, sorry, even places. 3 2 0, so then it will be 5. Sorry, the sum of the numbers at odd places is 16 and the sum of the numbers at the even places is 5. Now we have to check the difference between them. So the difference between them is 11, and here it is given, if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So here we are getting 11, so it is a multiple of 11 or it is divisible by 11. So we can say, or we will now we will check for this number whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Then 11 5 is 55. Okay, 11 5 is 55. This will be 89. Then 11 8 is 88. Here it is 12. 11 1 is 11, and then 11 1 is 11. So the number 639210 is divisible by 8 by 5811 times. Okay, so this was the divisibility rules of 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11. uh, I hope you have got the concept and the video was useful. If you find the video useful, please like the channel, like the video, and subscribe the channel for other important videos. Thanks for watching, and please do practice for these numbers. And if you face any kind of problem in any of the rule, please make comments. I will try to resolve your problem in the comment section. Thanks for watching.